First, we will discuss today's question. Okay, today's question on current affair. Discuss the impact of dietary habits on public health, with special focus on hypertension, with special focus on BP, hypertension. Analyze the situation in India and suggest measures to improve public health outcomes. So you have to understand this. This is in Hindu news article. Health advice to take no pinch of salt. Compulsory every year in mains, one question is coming from public health. One question is damn sure. So as process of daily current affairs, one mains questions for you people, this is the question I asked. So while you are collecting information, content, not only this article, what you have to do, this particular academy should help you to think, brainstorm. That is the reason I am going to come up with how we are going to deal essay topics for you people by taking one example. So for this, dietary habits on public health, there is one program by Government of India which is called as 75 by 25. Program name itself is called as 75 by 25. That means by 2025 year, 75 million people should be relieved from hypertension and diabetes. So some schemes will be there. How? By food habits. How? By proper health habits, food habits. So this is a very good essay. So I'll recommend you. So as the daily content, you make notes out of it, and not only depending upon this, you also use your Google and add some points like how I am telling 75 by 25. And this is your daily 5 MCQs. First question is on Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It is taken from Hindu, page number 1. Supreme Court limits Enforcement Directorate's power to arrest Prevention of Money Laundering Act accused. Number 2, Hindu article trade imbalance, page number 8. Similarly, page third question, Hindu article page number 12. The question is about constitutional amendment. Fourth question is on the Hindu online MSMEs flag challenges in getting GST license in Tamil Nadu, page number 15 on GST. And the Hindu page number 16, Armenia, Azerbaijan agree to deal on disputed section of border, that is current affair. So while you are reading this MCQs of 5, when you are reading this 5 MCQs, you read this, use your Google also. I am only recommending. Use your Google as well. What is this Armenia, Azerbaijan issue? What is this GST? What is the public health issues which are presently prevailing in India? In that way, you have to make your mind preparation plan. So this is your mains one question and answer, model answer, as well as MCQs. But remember, every time model answer should be in point wise only. Remember.